How to change the font size on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So to change the font size, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display and brightness. Now here tap on text size, and here you will see a slider. So if you want to make your text larger, then drag the slider to the right side and it will make your text larger. And if you want to change the font size to make it smaller, then drag the slider to the left side. So you can check by opening any other app if the text is smaller or not. So you can open Messages app. Now you can see the text in Messages app is smaller. Now if you want to make it larger, then drag it to the right side, and after that the text of your apps will be larger. Now if you want to make it more larger, then go back to main settings page. Now from here tap on accessibility, and then in accessibility tap on display and text size. Now tap on larger text and then tap on this button to turn it on, and then drag the slider to the right side and it will make the text very large. You can see the text in the Messages app is now larger. So that's how you can change the text size. So here tap on display and brightness, tap on text size. So that's how you can change the text size in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.